Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. We begin with an E Prime follow-up. Sean Kingston released. The Jamaican-born rapper and singer who is facing $1 million in fraud charges walked out of the Broward County Jail in Florida last evening after posting bond. Now, E Prime reported that the singer was booked into the jail Sunday following his extradition to Florida after his May 23 arrest in California, where he waived his right to fight the extradition. Monday, he was granted $100,000 bond by a Florida judge when he appeared before the court. He was also slapped with 10 criminal charges, which included grand theft, fraud, and criminal use of personal identification. Kingston and his mother, Janice Turner, are accused of stealing money, jewelry, a Cadillac Escalade SUV, and furniture. Upon his release, Kingston was met by the media with several questions, but only one grabbed his attention, and that was the one of the luxury vehicle he was seen getting into.
Sean, is your Maybach renting? Nah, own it.
Valiant clears the air following motor vehicle incident which led to the hospitalization of the health minister. The diplomat, in a TikTok live, recalls his version of Sunday's incident with the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, who was admitted to the University Hospital of the West Indies.
Me a go in, but just drop a big intern. Me a go in. Small collision happen. You see me I say? Me never speed or nothing. And the person, just a small collision. You don't know? Yeah, big up Mr. Tufton.
The minister is said to have suffered a broken wrist as a result of the collision. Now, Richie Spice and Capleton for Billboard's Reggae Dancehall Fresh Picks. Tuesday, Billboard revealed its list of top 10 new must-hear reggae, dancehall, and soca songs for its monthly Reggae Dancehall Fresh Picks, which only sees 2 Jamaicans making the list. Richie Spice's Cool It sees the reggae singer calling for peace in a world desperately in need of it.
Cool it, cool it, cool it down. Cool the violence all around. Cool it, cool it, cool it down. Yeah, yeah. Cool it, cool it.
Also on the list, tired of the drama from Capleton and Derek Sound. Billboard describes the track as an aggressive approach for an end to various violent conflicts, adding that Capleton's iconic voice rings across Derek Sound's brooding brass-accented instrumentation.
Tired of the drama, we no want that pan the corner. Oh, tired of the drama, the same thing with Babylon and Swam, yeah. Whoa, tired of the murder. Oh, we know want you gonna further.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.